TexturePainter is a Blender add-on designed to make texturing simple, intuitive, and fully under your control. It brings a Photoshop-like layer system directly into Blender, letting you manage textures visually while still having the freedom to dive into the node setup and tweak everything manually if you want. In this update, I've added displacement mixing, giving you the ability to combine multiple displacement maps for richer detail. The interface has been improved for a smoother workflow, and adaptive subdivision along with bevel modifiers are now automatically configured for better compatibility with your materials. Several bugs and illogical behaviors have been fixed, so the whole process feels cleaner and faster. TexturePainter is about giving you the power to create complex materials without getting lost in endless node setups, unless you want to. It's completely free and made for the community, but if you'd like to support its development, any financial contribution is greatly appreciated. If you enjoy it, share it, leave a reaction, or tell a friend. Every bit of feedback helps make it better.